The process of listing a company on the Pakistan Stock Exchange (PSX) through an initial public offering (IPO) involves several stages. Here is a concise overview of the steps involved. 1. Decision to go public. The company's board of directors makes a strategic decision to go public to raise capital for expansion, repay debt, or provide liquidity for existing shareholders. 2. Hiring advisors. The company hires a team of advisors, including financial advisors or underwriters, typically investment banks or brokerage firms. Legal advisors, lawyers to ensure regulatory compliance. Auditors, external auditors to validate financial statements. Consultants, advisors for marketing and public relations. 3. Regulatory filings and approvals. A. Due diligence. The underwriters conduct due diligence, reviewing financial records, legal compliance, and business operations. B. Preparation of prospectus. The company, with its advisors, prepares a draft prospectus detailing the company's business, financials, risk factors, and offering details. C. Submission to SECP. The draft prospectus is submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan (SECP) for review and approval. The SECP may request additional information or revisions. D. Approval from PSX. A listing application is submitted to the PSX along with the draft prospectus. PSX reviews the application for compliance with listing requirements. 4. Book building process. The book roadshows and marketing. The company and its underwriters conduct roadshows to market the IPO to institutional investors, presenting the investment case and gauging investor interest. B. Bidding process. Institutional investors place bids, specifying the number of shares they want to buy and the price they are willing to pay. The book runners collect these bids to assess demand. C. Price determination. The final offer price is set based on the bids received, balancing demand and the number of shares available. 5. Public offering. A. Publication of final prospectus. The final prospectus with the determined offer price is published and made available to the public. B. Subscription period. Retail investors can subscribe to the IPO by submitting applications within the specified period. C. Allocation of shares. Shares are allocated to institutional and retail investors. If oversubscribed, shares may be allocated on a pro rata basis or through balloting. 6. Listing on PSX. A. Completion of formalities. All regulatory formalities are completed, including fee payments to PSX and issuance of share certificates. B. Listing approval. PSX grants final listing approval, and the shares are listed on the stock exchange. C. Commencement of trading. The shares begin trading on the PSX, becoming available for public buying and selling.
7. Post-IPO compliance and reporting. A. Regular financial reporting. The company must publish quarterly and annual financial reports in accordance with International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS). B. Disclosures of material information. Material events or changes affecting the company must be promptly disclosed to PSX and SEC. C. Corporate governance. The company must adhere to corporate governance standards set by SEC, including having independent directors and audit committees. 8. Lock-up period. Major shareholders and insiders are typically restricted from selling their shares for a lock-up period, usually 6 months, to prevent market flooding and price drops. Benefits of listing on PSX: access to capital, funds for expansion and growth, increased visibility, enhanced public profile and credibility, liquidity for shareholders, easy buying and selling of shares. Valuation. Public trading can lead to better company valuation. Challenges and risks. Regulatory compliance, adhering to strict regulations and disclosure requirements. Market pressure, meeting quarterly earnings expectations. Cost, significant expenses related to the IPO process and ongoing compliance. Loss of control, potential dilution of ownership and control. Conclusion. Listing a company on the Pakistan Stock Exchange via an IPO is a multifaceted process, requiring careful planning, regulatory compliance, and effective marketing. Successfully navigating this process can provide significant benefits, including access to capital and increased market visibility, while also presenting challenges such as regulatory demands and market pressures. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you now understand the process completely. Stay tuned for more content related to PSX. Like and subscribe.